Today we're gonna make this delicious chicken stuffed with spinach and feta. So for this recipe, I'm doing 2 fat chicken breasts that I butterflied. So I have 4 pieces here, and I've put this down on a cutting board that I've lined with saran wrap, and I'm gonna take another piece of saran wrap on top so that I can pound them out. And we're gonna pound out our chicken. This is when you get out your aggression. Pound out our chicken. Now we're gonna go to the stove and we're gonna saute our spinach so we can get our spinach and feta mixture ready so that we can stuff our chicken breasts. So we have our large skillet, heat that up. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're gonna take 4 cups of fresh spinach. We're gonna cook that. Now that our spinach is cooking down, I'm gonna add our minced garlic. So it's about half a tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm gonna add that to the mixture. Saute that into the spinach. Next, we're gonna season our spinach with salt and pepper. We're gonna just do a half a teaspoon of salt. And a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. It's amazing how much your spinach cooks down to. We started with a big pile of spinach and now we've cooked our fresh spinach down. Perfect, it looks great. And we're gonna go back over to our chicken. So we're gonna season a little salt and pepper on each one of our chicken breasts. And now we're gonna take our spinach and we're going to distribute the spinach in the middle of each one of our chicken breasts here, because we're gonna make some rolls with that. We're gonna roll that. So if you have to increase this recipe, we did a cup of spinach for each one of our chicken breasts. So if you wanted to make more, that would be how you would determine how much spinach you need. And next we need our feta. So I'm gonna do a tablespoon of feta for each one. So I'm gonna put the feta right here on top. Already looks beautiful. So now we're going to roll our chicken. So we're gonna take our chicken breast, roll on top of the spinach and the feta, just like this. And we're gonna take a toothpick. Right here I have these little skewers, and we're gonna skewer the chicken together so that it doesn't fall apart while we're cooking it. And that's it. Now that we have the chicken all rolled up, we're gonna take this same skillet, go back to the stove, and sear the chicken before we put them in the oven. Take our chicken, sear that in the pan. So now that we've seared all sides of the chicken, we're gonna take them out and put them right back into our Pyrex, and we're gonna finish them in the oven. I have the oven on 400 degrees. I cooked the chicken for about 25 minutes at 400 degrees, and then I put the broiler on high for about 3 minutes to get a nice golden brown color. So I'm gonna take these toothpicks out to plate this. Put this right here on the plate. And I can feel that it's nice and firm, the chicken, which means it's probably nice and juicy. I want you to see how beautiful it is inside. So I'm gonna cut this for you on diagonal. Look at that, amazing. This is a great weeknight dinner. I hope you guys try it and enjoy. For the full recipe, visit nikkigluckus.com, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.